Before you send money to the Philippines with Wise and GCash, you'll need to make sure you have your recipient's full name, address, and GCash account number. Their account number is the same as the mobile number they use to register for GCash. Now, I'll go slowly through each step, but if you can't keep up, then don't be afraid to pause the video. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Wise app. You can do this by visiting your app store and typing in Wise. Once that's downloaded, you'll need to register an account. And after registering, you can go ahead and log into your Wise account and select Send. Now select the currency you wish to send and then enter the amount you're sending. Next, we need to select the Philippine peso. And now we can decide what type of transfer we want to make. We do this by clicking here. The cheapest option is usually bank transfer, or in this case, direct debit. But for the sake of this video, I'll select debit card. I'm also not going to select credit card, as that's not only more expensive, but it is also likely my credit card provider will charge me a cash advance fee. And that's why I always recommend people do not send money internationally with a credit card. Wise also has this handy price comparison tool, and they're not always the cheapest option. That's why I also always recommend using Monito.com before you send money. Our handy comparison engine will tell you exactly who the cheapest and best provider will be based on your transfer. But if you're happy to proceed, then click the cross and then click Continue. Now you want to select Add a new recipient, and then someone else, and then enter your recipient's email address. And if this pops up, then just click Don't Allow, unless of course you want to share your contacts with Wise. Then select e-wallet and enter your recipient's full name. Click bank code and select GCash. And for the account number, you need to enter their mobile phone number. Do not include the international area code, which is +63, and instead just enter their Filipino mobile number. Now enter their country and address details and select Confirm. It's really important now to check here that all of this information is correct, and if you want to add a reference, you can type it in at the bottom. But if you're happy with everything, then click Confirm. We now have to go through the fraud prevention check, so select what the transfer is for and click Continue. And then click Continue to Payment. And now you get to choose again how you would like to send the money. And remember, this will impact the fee, and typically direct debit is the cheapest option when sending from Canada. For the sake of this video though, I'll still proceed with debit card. And once that's paid, the money will be safely on its way to a GCash wallet in the Philippines. Hope you found this video useful, and remember to use our comparison engine before you send money internationally. Just visit Monito.com and we'll tell you who the cheapest and fastest provider will be for your transfer, and it might just save you some money.